Hey there, this is Sugarcoder. The other day I went to Daiso to get a few essential items. There were a lot of cherry blossom related items. Because of the COVID-19 pandemic, they were low on certain items like face mask, hand soap, and small travel bottles. Fortunately, they sold toilet paper. Honestly, there's no need to hoard toilet paper. Just get a bidet and you won't have to use as much toilet paper. Anyways, Daiso has a lot of essential items like food, drinks, and cleaning supplies. They also have a lot of hobby-related items like gardening, baking, and art. I ended up getting a few cleaning supplies and a silicone cake pan to test and see if it works well for making steamed cakes. So what are some items that you have trouble finding during this pandemic? And what do you miss doing the most? I miss going to watch movies in the theater. I hope that you like this video. Thank you so much for watching and have a sweet day.